Hey friends, it's Misty and Cuddles. Hey Cuddles, how are you? I'm fine, thank you, sweetie. Um, I have a new book for us. Yeah. Well, actually, I have two, but the one that I'm going to read, I think this one is a little more fun. Yes, both of the books are fun. Yes, they are. Well, I think one is a little more fun than the other. It doesn't really matter. I could read either one. Yeah. Well, I picked the one that I picked already. I'm going to read the one that I think is a little more fun. I mean, I do have to plan these things. It's not like I could just say, hey, I'm going to read the book today and that's it. And then I read the book and then you don't really like it. Oh, now that's sweet. He said, we like everything you do. That is really sweet because I love everything you guys do too. Um, so our book today, the the little engine that could. Yeah, I like this book because it shows determination and hard work. You like this story? It's one of the best ones. That's so cool, Cuddles. The author is Waddy Piper. Waddy Piper. Watty. That's an interesting name. So, we're going to read this story, and I'm going to tell you why. It's such a nice story. It's a lot of fun to me, I think. Chug, chug, chug. Puff, puff, puff. Ding dong, the little train rumbled over the tracks. She was a happy little train. Her cars were filled with toy animals, giraffes with long necks, teddy bears with almost no necks at all, and even a baby elephant. See, that's the train right there. All the stuff on it. There were dolls and the funniest little toy clown you ever saw. But that was not all. Some cars were filled with good things for boys and girls to eat, and lollipops for after meal treats. So they had some more dolls, and then they had food to eat, and some treats, some suckers and stuff. The little train was carrying all these wonderful things to the little boys and girls on the other side of the mountain. She puffed along merrily. Then all of a sudden she stopped. She simply could not go another inch. Her wheels would not turn. Oh no, the train was stuck. Hmm. Here comes a shiny new engine, said the little clown who jumped out of the train. Please, shiny new engine, won't you? Please, shiny new engine, won't you pull our train over the mountain? Our engine has broken down, and the boys and girls on the other side won't have any toys to play with or good food to eat unless you help us. Excuse me. You must be tired, huh? I yawned. But you gotta help us, train. You gotta help us. But the shiny new engine snorted, I pull you. I am a passenger engine. My train has sleeping cars and a dining car with waiters. I pull the likes of you? Indeed not. And off he steamed. Snobby little self said, I am a passenger train. I am too good for you. Right, uppity self. That's not nice. We shouldn't talk about Cuddles. Well, yeah, he was being very bogus and mean to them. But that doesn't make it right. We're not supposed to talk about them. We're not supposed to talk about them. You know, Cuddles? Okay. I understand where you're coming from, though. Okay, soon the little clown called out, Look, a great big strong engine is coming. Please, Mr. Engine, cried all the dolls and toys, won't you pull our train over the mountain? I have just pulled a train with big heavy machines. I am a very important engine indeed. I won't pull the likes of you. And the big engine puffed off. Everybody being so rude and mean to them. Like, please help us. No. Please help us. I said no. Hey. The little train and all the dolls and toys were very sad. The big engine is not the only one in the world, cried the little toy clown. Here comes another one. He looks very old and tired, but our train is so little. Perhaps he can help us. Said, there's another train coming. Maybe that'll help. But the rusty old engine sighed. I am too tired. I must rest my weary wheels. I cannot pull even so little a train as yours over the mountain. I cannot. I cannot. I cannot. And off he rumbled. By now the dolls and toys were ready to cry. Well, at least he said, I'm too tired. At least he wasn't being bogus and saying, no, I don't like you. I'm not doing it because I'm too good. He said, I really can't do it. I'm a little old and tired and I just don't have enough energy. You have to respect that, right? Yeah, it's kind of sad though. But the little clown said, here comes a little blue engine, a very little one. Maybe she will help us. Excuse me. I'm sorry. No, I'm not sleepy. I don't know what's going on. I might be like that old engine. I cannot make it. I'm sorry. He said I'm silly. I'm sorry. But the little clown said, here comes a little blue engine, a very little one. Maybe she will help us. The very little engine came chuggling merry along. Chugging merrily along. What is the matter, my friends? She asked kindly. Will you pull us over the mountain? Cried the dolls and toys. Our engine has broken down, and the good boys and girls on the other side won't have any toys to play with or good food to eat unless you help us. Please. Can you please help us, little blue engine? Huh? And not very big. I have never been over the mountain, but I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. And the little blue engine hitched herself to the train. She tugged and pulled and tugged, and slowly, slowly, they started off. I think I can. Puff, puff, chug, chug went the little blue engine. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. Up, up, up. Faster and faster the little engine climbed, until at last they reached the top of the mountain. Hooray! Hooray! Cried the little clown and all the dolls and toys. The good little boys and girls in the city will be happy because you helped us. Yay! 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 And the little blue engine smiled and seemed to say, as she puffed steadily down the mountain, I thought I could. I thought I could. I thought I could. The end. See, I thought that was gonna be a better story, Cuddles. My other story is good too, and I'm gonna read that one next week. But I'm also gonna order a new book this week so that I have two ready. I want to make sure I stay ahead now. I'm doing my best. I'm really doing my best to stay ahead so that I could keep doing my videos every week instead of just having big pauses, because like that pause between um I think it was Amelia Bedelia and Cat in the Hat. It was like 3 weeks. I know I can't do that anymore. That's why I said I have to make sure I keep up on my books. But I do still have a book for next week. Okay. Yeah. So I definitely have one for next week. So I'm definitely gonna read it for next week. Um. Yeah, I don't really have anything to say except for, well, yeah, I do, because I need to adjust the story. This story right here is a story about determination. It's a story about believing in yourself. And it's also a story about being helpful. Yeah, because, like, so the little engine, she believed in herself. She was determined to help. She was being a helper. Those other trains said no. Now, the older one said, I can't help, I'm too old. And that was bad, but that was not like mean spirited like the others. Like those other two engines was like, I'm too good to pick you up. No. So that's not cool. You're supposed to have a helping spirit. You're supposed to help people. You're supposed to help people because you want them to help you when you need help. You don't want people to ignore your cries for help. You don't want anybody to ignore you and make you feel like you're not worthy of help. Everybody deserves help. Everybody needs help sometimes. People, people who need people are the luckiest people. Cause you don't like my singing. Oh, and just not that song. Ah, that's funny. I know, I was just kidding. But people need people, you know? People need people. And that's okay. And the little blue engine said, I'm determined to help my friends. And I know that I can do it. I'm strong enough. I'm smart enough. And if I work hard enough, I can do it. I can achieve the goal of helping my friends. That's important. You always want to be a helper, you know? You always want to help somebody if you know that you can help them. Even if you can't, you need to try. But at least if you can't, you tried. But she said, I tried and I could, which is the lesson because a lot of people actually can't. They don't want to. Don't take advantage of anybody. Don't use people because you know that they can help you. That's bogus. But if you need help and you ask for it, people are willing to help you. Yeah. Like if you really need help, people know and they'll reach out. But if you're just saying, help me because I want you to, because I don't want to do it myself, nobody's going to do that. People help those who help themselves. Yeah, that's important to know that. If you're not going to do it, nobody's going to help you. But if you work at it and work hard and show that you're willing to do the work in order to improve, you got plenty of people that's going to help you. Yeah. Well, that's really all I wanted to say. So I'm going to send my shouts. You want to send the shout today, Cuddles? Why you want to send the shout? But you sent them last time. You said you never sent a shout, but you sent them the last time. Okay. That was the only time, and you never done it before. So you want to do it again. Okay. Okay. So he said he's sending a shout to Peter, Paul, Faith, Emmanuel, John, and Mary. He's sending a shout to Chris, Sydney, RJ, Jason, and Jeremiah. And he's sending a shout to me, and he sent me a kiss. And he said, you are loved from far away. I love you too, Cuddles. Sending you a shout. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see about that. He says we've been doing this for a little while, and we have. And I just want to see exactly how long we've been doing it. So hold on a second, guys. I apologize. Hold on a second. I'm not gone away. I didn't forget. Hold on. My internet is acting silly right now. Let me see if I can find it. No, I don't want to do that. Do it on the phone like I'm trying to. I don't want to do it off the computer because it might do something weird. I'm on the computer filming the. So I found the. Oh, guess what, guys? Our anniversary is coming. Yeah. So the very first video that I made for you guys was a letter to Amy, and I made it on April 29th, 2025. Today is April 14th, 2026. So our anniversary of the videos will be in 15 days. Yay! Isn't that cool? We've been doing this a year, dudes. Oh my god. This is the coolest. Oh, wow. That is absolutely awesome. I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna have like a celebration head or something. I have to have something exciting to celebrate our anniversary. Well, you are loved from far away. Abrazos y besos. And I cannot wait. 2 weeks we'll have our first anniversary, and that's gonna be great, right?